Hi, fifth grade. So today I'm going to show you how to get to your classwork because I'm seeing a lot of comments saying that you guys are not sure how to find your classwork that I'm assigning. Remember that none of your assignments right now that I'm assigning, they're not considered assignments right now. It's all enrichment work. So that means that these assignments are for you guys to be practicing skills that we learned this year in class. So make sure that you remember this is all review for you. Anything that you turn in, I am working on going through and grading so I can start sending back comments. But that's all you'll be getting is comments. You won't be receiving a grade for the work that you turn in. Now, when you log into the Google Classroom, you're going to see this screen. Right now, you're on the classroom stream, so make sure that you pay attention you are on the stream. Also, you guys, when you are on the stream, if you're posting something, if you have a question, please go to the assignment and ask the question there. That way, I can help you on the exact assignment. Also, if you're posting on here, I'm fine with you guys commenting and saying hi to each other, but if you could just post on these comments that you see attached to the assignment. So I'm going to type on this assignment right here. I'm going to say, hey class. So make sure that you are posting here instead of straight onto our wall. That way you guys are able to see the work that I'm posting when it's posted. Otherwise, the work ends up at the very end of our stream because you guys are posting a whole bunch of comments. Also, when you're posting comments, make sure that your comments are school appropriate. That means language. I've already had to delete some comments just because language isn't really school appropriate. Along with that, make sure that you are being nice to your classmates. If we cannot be nice over the internet, I will disable the comments and you won't be able to comment. You'll have to reach out to me through Dojo, through your parents' accounts. So when you are on the stream, you're going to see this. I've moved a couple assignments up to the top. That way you guys can find them easily. Um, from here, what I'm going to do is go and click on classwork. So click right here. On our classwork, I went through you guys and I deleted everything that was from earlier in the school year. The only thing that I left was in science. I'll talk about that in a minute. But what I left on here is just anything that is related to enrichment work that I have for you guys right now. So remember that I'm only going to be posting a couple assignments a week. That way you guys aren't getting overwhelmed. I know that it is frustrating having to figure this out on your own, so I'm doing my best to be as helpful as I can and trying to reply as fast as I can. If I'm not replying fast enough, just be patient. Don't worry about time. None of this is going to be due anytime. So just make sure that you are using this as a practice time. So right here is where I will post questions for you guys to answer. I will be posting another one tonight actually for you guys to go on. In science, we have the matter in ecosystems. If you click on here, you can see the class comments already. On our class comments, what I want you guys to notice is I attached a YouTube video for how to complete the assignment. If you can't see the video on a Chromebook that you are using from the school, then you need to go to our class dojo, go to the school, or not the school, sorry, the class story, and then scroll down to find where I posted the YouTube link as well. That way you can view the link on a cell phone. I have another science assignment that I will be posting here soon. I'm just waiting to see if anyone else turns it in. Along with this, I left our science PowerPoints from our space unit. That way, if you guys wanted to go, you can click on the assignment and you can go to NASA. In this one, it's just a link to NASA. In Mars, you can go and I'll have to look at this assignment file to see what it was and I'll fix that. But then you can go to NASA and view facts about Mars. But in the Jupiter exploration, you guys, you can view the facts about Jupiter, and then you can also go to NASA again and view more facts about Jupiter, see videos, see exploration that NASA has done. That's all for you guys to look at and enjoy. So that's the same with all of these. That's for science. In social studies, I added a link for National Geographic, so I'm going to show you guys that right now. So if I click on the link, it's going to pull up another tab. When I get to this tab, I'm going to see National Geographic. So on here, you guys, you can explore anything on here. So a good one to look at might be Earth Day. Along with that, you can look at animals, different things like that. If you go to the top, let's say I want to look at animals. I want to look at, we're going to go with mammals. Once I get onto here, I just need to scroll around and you guys already know what I'm going to pick. So I can go through and now I can see different pictures of elephants. And I can also scroll through and read and learn about the elephant. So if you are doing this, feel free to take out a piece of paper, write down facts about your animal, and then if you want to, you can submit a comment when you're submitting the, you can't submit this assignment, but you can submit a comment with a couple things that you have learned off of this site. So there's no limitations on here. You guys can explore anything on here. Animals, there's videos, there's games for you guys to go and do, tons of things that you can explore. So if you want to, you can view science, you can go to space, lots of things you can do on this website. In writing, I included a writing assignment practice. So what you're going to do, this is the reading, this is the assignment. So what you're going to do is click on the assignment. This is your writing prompt. Here on the right side, I can scroll through now and find all of my directions. So right here, I gave you guys directions for your circle map, gave you guys the start on that. And then for creating a flow map, I gave directions for what should go in each box. And then directions for writing out your rough draft of your essay. When you come to here, all you need to do to type your essay is double click, highlight everything, and then you can erase it and then begin to type your essay. Okay. All right, in reading, you guys, so here's the reading assignment that me and Mr. Wangle have for you for this week. In this assignment, you will see my post, and then I need to attach the questions that go with the reading. I'll get those attached for you guys right now. But in this assignment, you will go ahead and click on the video. It'll pull up the video on a separate page, and then you'll be able to watch the video explaining the assignment and what to do. Along with this, you're going to click on here. It's going to take you to ReadWorks. To log into ReadWorks, all you need to do is click on, it should take you to a button that says sign in with Google. Click on the sign in with Google button, and then you will click on your student account, and it should log you right in. Grammar work, this goes to Khan Academy. These are just parts of speech review for you guys, so you can go into here and you can watch any of these videos. And then there's also practice questions for you. I also left the George's Secret Key to the Universe reading for you guys if you wanted to read that book. If you need to, or if you want to read it, just go ahead and click on the book link. Click Take Me There Now. Should prompt you guys again to sign in with Google. You'll click on your account and it should take you to the page. It's going to look a little bit different for you guys because mine is the teacher account, but it should take you directly to the book. You'll be able to pull up. Once you get taken to the book, you'll be able to pull up the book and view it and read it like we did in class. I'm pretty sure if you have it on a 2-page view, it's not going to read it for you, so make sure you only leave it on a 1-page view. For math, everything that you see that's Khan Academy, you can go in and practice. So again, all you need to do is click on this link. Make sure that you are logging in. At the top, it should say log in somewhere. I'm already logged in. That's why it says A Bauer. Make sure that you log in at the top. So instead of A Bauer, it should say log in. Then you can go and view any of the videos in this category. Make sure that you watch the videos. If you need to, take out a piece of paper, take notes on any practice problems that they are doing in the video. Then you can go and practice the questions. Make sure that when you are doing the practice questions, you are going back through, and if you do not get 7 out of 7 questions right, go back and do it again until you get 7 out of 7. Keep going back and practicing again and again. So you have tons of practice that you can be doing. Then there's quizzes that you can click on, more videos, more practice. So tons of practice you can do. If you finish this, you can go back to the classwork and click on any of these. Or in Khan Academy, you can go, where is it? Well, you can go up to courses, and then you can go to math by grade, go to 5th grade. Then you can practice anything in the 5th grade category. Make sure that you're logged in though, so I can see what you guys are doing, how you're doing on your practice. You should be able to see assignments that I've given you also when you are logging into Khan Academy. I hope that this video helps you in accessing your assignments. So remember, when you log in, you're going to be taken to this screen. Just go ahead, if you can't see the assignments at the top, you guys, click on classwork, and then you'll be able to see all of our classwork by subject. So anything in here is up for you guys to be going in and practicing. Remember that anything you're practicing is just practice right now. So don't stress out thinking that everything is due. All of these are practice videos for you guys to be going in and seeing what we did in math, reviewing math. Ooh, the personal budget project. When you click on it, you'll be taken to the Google Slides. I included the link for the video tutorial if you need help on that assignment. And then there is a video with practice work for adding and subtracting fractions that Mr. Wangle made. So anything on here, you guys can go in and practice. Make sure that you're responding to the questions in morning work. That way I am getting responses to the questions that I have for you guys. All right. If you have any other questions, please make sure that you are commenting. I will be posting this video. So comment on the comments below this video on this link. So do not be going and commenting all over the stream. Make sure that you comment directly below the announcement post. All right, I'll see you guys next video. Have a good week.